Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, everyone using the website. So this option will be a lot of people are commenting me. So I'm unable to connect my Facebook page to Instagram. So what are the options will be mainly will target. So any website to content will be sharing at a time Facebook and Instagram purpose. The Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram business account. So this is your Facebook business account and your this will be Instagram business account. In this Facebook business page, how will be connecting for Instagram account? How will be connecting for Instagram account? First of all, we can selecting will be both will be different logins or anything will be not happening. But one Facebook page will be connecting for one Instagram account compulsory mandatory field. One Facebook page connecting will be one Instagram account. Go to settings. In the setting, the option name is called Instagram. In this Instagram will be connect your option will be here and click for connect your option. After this one, they go to your Instagram field, select your option name is here. So what is option will be in this? Select option and click for login here. The particular Instagram will be login your particular Facebook page to Instagram connect. So it will be connecting for complete Instagram. So we can go for switch now the business tools. So what are the conditions here? This will be connecting your Facebook page to Instagram. So that all will be connecting for your particular account will be here. That will be ready your particular business. After this one, so my connection will be done your Facebook page to Instagram. Reback to will be checking. Once you go for refresh this option, refresh this option. In this, we'll have the synchronization option will be here and information will be completely synchronized. After this one, how will be posting connecting will be Facebook to Instagram? The first question. In this inbox, we have to connection option will be there on the Facebook and Instagram Messenger here. So this all will be compulsory you can activate on your Facebook page to Instagram option. So this all will be connect. After this option, we have to go option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. Here we have to set up your account will be into add this option. When add this Instagram account on your Facebook Creator Studio, at a time will be post content will be Instagram and Facebook field also. So here what is the option will be in this? If you not connect properly, they not connect your Instagram account on your Facebook Creator Studio option. If you are unable to create the connection properly not done on your particular here, so it will be done. So how we can posting? Select your Instagram field. The option will be Instagram post. Select your count of language. What are the posts you will be select here? Select your particular post option and in this select your particular post and at time selecting your Facebook and here and here one drawback is there. Link will be accepting for your particular Facebook, but in your Instagram, they can't accepting for your particular link option. Only link will be accepting only Facebook. Remaining will be not accepting for your particular option. So now we click for post. Now previous no post are there. Now the post will be done at a time will be Instagram and your particular Facebook also. Now it is done. Just 1 minute back. Click for refresh. Now check this option. Now post will be done. Link will be working just now. So these are the option we'll be selecting for your particular option name is called Facebook and Instagram. So this will be very important to connect. One more thing, lot of people facing problem will be connection. So the Instagram already connect another Facebook page, they can't connect. The one Facebook page connecting only for one Instagram account. One Facebook page not adding for multiple Instagram, one Instagram not connecting for multiple Facebook page option. So Facebook to multiple Instagram not possible. If you're connecting from multiple Facebook page, one Instagram is also not possible. So this condition, keep it in mind to work on to the particular connectivity Facebook to Instagram. If any further doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. I will be connecting for Facebook, Instagram. You can comment me or share the comment me on your WhatsApp me. I definitely will be support. Anyone I'm missing the comment box, re-comment me. I definitely will resolve the your particular issue. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.